Hello friends, I'm Darshan Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shadow Bites. Now, before coming to this video topic, I'm requesting you to please watch this video till the end because after this tutorial, I'm going to say you a very important thing which although is not about the project, rather I will say you about the situation I'm currently going through which you should listen so that you can understand my current situation and difficulties I'm facing. So please listen to that part as well. Now coming back to this video topic, over 1 year ago on December 2024, I have uploaded a video where I have changed the database of my existing face recognition based attendance monitoring system using Python project from CSV file to Online MySQL Database, and that was the video with method 1 where I had shown the tutorial of making free Online MySQL Database using phsqldatabase.com, and there I told if the video reaches 1000 views and 30 likes then I will definitely show another method of making free MySQL database using AWS Amazon.com, but extremely sorry for failing to do so. It's because the criteria of 1000 views and 30 likes took so much time that I really forgot what I promised in that video. Still saying extremely sorry for such a massive delay. So today in this video I'm going to show you another method of creating free online MySQL database, but sadly I can't show you the Amazon AWS method because it's not free anymore, and on searching for proper free alternative I finally found Avent.io website for creating the free online MySQL database, and for viewing the database I'm going to use dbeaver community edition app. Yes, unlike the free SQLdatabase.com where you can view the database directly on the website, here using Avent.io you can create the online MySQL database for free, but for viewing the database you need to use dbeaver community edition app. Then after mapping the database you can view it, even though you need a separate application for viewing the database, but still it's better method than phsqldatabase.com for creating free online MySQL database, as because Avent.io website is not having any time limit for using website for the free online MySQL database. So as such, this time you don't have to create temporary emails, just sign up using your Google account and you are good to go. And if you feel like your free database storage limit is getting filled up to full, then you can also delete the database to get back the storage. And here in this video I've implemented my latest updated face recognition based attendance monitoring system using Python project, and all the features are working absolutely fine without any issues. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so before starting the tutorial, let me say a very important thing, that is, please watch this tutorial completely without skipping, because if you skip any of the part from the tutorial then you may miss a very important thing for which the project may not run correctly. So keep in mind, watch this tutorial completely without skipping. Okay, so now let's continue with the tutorial. So first thing first, at first you need to download the project zip file, which is this. Link to download this project zip file will be given in the description below from where you can download it. And you need to have dbeaver community edition like I said in the intro. But first let's extract this zip file. Click on extract here. It's extracted. Yes, this is it. Let's keep it this side. Okay, now after extracting, visit the website avent.io. Link to visit this website will be given in the description below. Now if you click on the link, this page will open. Now here click on get building here in this option. After clicking on get building, click on sign up with Google, then sign up with any of your Google account. For now I'm signing up with SmartTech Magic, this Google account. Click on continue. Okay, so console is getting loaded. Here you can add your email address again and then click on login in this way and click on remember me so that you don't need to. Okay, now here click on personal project. You can choose any of the options showing here. Just keep on clicking next. You can subscribe newsletter subscription, but better skip it. Click on services on this left side. Click on services. Now here you need to click on MySQL. It will take some time. Now here you need to click free, because obviously I am showing the free tutorial, so click country. Now select your region wherever you are from. I am from India, so I am selecting Asia Pacific. Okay, you can change the name, but that's not necessary for now. Click on create service. Within few minutes your database will be created. It's still showing building. Within few minutes it will build the database completely. You don't need to see it. Anyways, I think the database got created. Okay, by the time you create the database, you download dbeaver community edition, because for viewing the database you will be created through this website, you need to use dbeaver community edition application. So visit the link given in the description below, and on clicking the link this page will be loaded. Here click on download exe if you are a Windows user, and if you are Mac user then you can use based on this. Like if your CPU is M1, M2, M3 these CPUs, then you need to download this one. If your Mac OS is having Intel CPU, then download this one, and if you are using Linux then download any of these. Main thing is you need to have dbeaver community edition on your system. And by the way, Windows installation is like what I am going to do just now, but for installation tutorial in Mac OS and Linux is bit different. For that I would recommend you to watch separate videos, but for now as I am a Windows user I am showing the Windows installation tutorial. So here click on download exe if you are Windows user. So click on save. It's getting downloaded, it's in progress. Meanwhile let's check if the database got built. Yes, the database is built up. As you can see, this running icon confirms that the database has been built. Okay, so yeah, oh, and this download is also complete. So click here, run, click on run, and click on next, click on I agree, click on for anyone who uses this. You can click any one of these options. Okay, now select all these options and then click on next, and then again next, and then again click on install. Within few seconds dbeaver community edition will be installed on your system. It's not a big file. Within few seconds it will get installed. So it's getting installed. Okay, yeah, done. Click on yes, click on create desktop shortcut because it will be helpful. Click on finish. So the database creation part and this dbeaver is also downloaded and installed. Now let's move on to the project file. Now this is the project file. Now before starting the project you have to install all the Python modules. For that the easiest way is this is the one click option I have created. If you can double click on this, all the modules will get installed, but I would suggest the older method which I have shown. Click on this install command 2.txt and this txt file will open. Just select the whole thing in this way, then press Ctrl C, or you can press copy in this way also. Now open command prompt, type cmd. Okay, so now click on okay. It's getting already pasted. Modules are installing one by one. It will take some time. Okay, so all the modules got installed. Now open ideally Python, and like in every video I am saying you need to have only one ideally Python installed on your system. I mean one version of ideally Python. You should not have more than one version, because more than one version of ideally Python, if it's installed on your system, then it will create conflicts. The system will get confused between the version. So if you have multiple ideally Python, multiple versions of ideally Python installed on your system, then delete all the versions and install any one version. For now I am using ideally Python 3.13, but you do this with ideally Python 3.12, 3.11, even 3.14 also. So open, click on file, click on open. Now click on navigate to your project file. For my case it's in desktop, but for your case it may be in downloads folder. This is the project file. We have made 5.py. Click on open. Hopefully the everything got loaded. Now here press F5. I'm pressing F5. Hopefully the project will run. Yes. Now here you need to fill up all the credentials. For that again go to the website event.io. You just need to copy all this and keep on filling up this portion. Like for the host name is this one, so copy it and okay, control P, host name added. Now username is this one, which is this thing. Just click here, copy, and here just paste it in this way. Now then you need to copy the password. This just click on copy this button, password got copied. Now here control P, password got copied here. Now you need to copy the database name, which is this one. Click this icon, copy, and here press control P, database name pasted. Now you need to copy the port number, which is this one. Click here to copy the port number, and here click on press control P, port number is added. Now click on save configuration, so that if you showcase the project next time, you don't need to fill up all these credentials. In that case, you just need to load configuration and all the things will be loaded. So click on save configuration. So configuration saved successfully. Click on OK, and now click on enter. So the interface opens in this way. Now the procedure is similar to what I have shown in previous project. Every functions are working just the way it should work. So I'm typing my ID as one, name, typing my name. So like you have seen in my previous video, that now my project is having caps lock direction. Now click on create images. Camera will open within few minutes. Okay, camera open. As you can see, it's recognizing my face. Okay, recognizing. Okay, recognition complete. Now click on save profile. Here you need to type the password, and the password is SMAGIX, everything in small letter. This is the password. Okay, now click on OK. This is it, and let's click on take attendance to see if everything is working okay or fine or not. So click on take attendance. As you can see, it's recognizing, and I'm not touching my keyboard, and it stopped automatically like in my previous video which you have seen. So everything is okay. Now let's view this database. So for that, open dweaver application that you have installed just now, dweaver community edition. Okay, it's opening. First time if you open, it will take some time. It's opening. Okay, just cross it out. Now here click on database, click on new database connection, and here click on MySQL, click on next. Now here you need to fill up all the credentials. So okay, now select this host option. Now here in the server host, you need to type the host name, which is this. Click on copy to clipboard in this host name. Now here paste it, control P, or you can do this method also, paste. Now you need to copy the port number, is this, then again paste the port number. By the way, you are copying all these things from the event.io website. For this database, you can see the database name. Just copy it this way and paste it here, control P or paste. And for username, first delete the default name, username, this is the username, just copy it and paste. For password, this is the password, just copy it and this is paste. So this is it. Click on test connection to test if everything is working fine. So yeah, it's showing connected. Click on OK. Now click on finish. The database got connected perfectly without any issues. Now here in the under the connection section, click on default DB, click on database. Hopefully it will show. Click on default DB here again, and here you can see student details database. This thing you can see registration date is showing, student ID, serial number, each and everything. Now okay, now again going to back to default DB. Here you can see the attendance. As you can see, this is the attendance, which is this. Okay, so this is how you can view the database. Okay, so let's minimize it and let me show you the backend also. This is the image it is stored in this format, which you can see. Okay, so now first let's see if the configuration get loaded automatically or not. So I've closed the project. Now again opening the Python file, pressing F5, configuration got loaded automatically. Just press enter. Okay, so let's click on take attendance again to see everything is working fine or not. Okay, so everything is working fine. Okay, let's check the database and see if it's get updated or not. And then distribution option to press F5. Yes, pressing F5 you can see the updated database. Okay, so now let's see if these options are working or not. So for that I will here write my email address, better to say my Gmail address, because other options I don't know how to do. And I have already saved my Gmail app password credentials, so I'm just going to copy it. If you want to know how to create Gmail app password, because this sender email password is Gmail app password which you have to create before going to run the project. If you want to know how to create Gmail app password, then I have already made a short video for it. Link to watch that video is also given in the description below, from where you can watch the tutorial. So here the Gmail app password is this. I'm copying it and pasting the password. Now Gmail ID is martekmagics@gmail.com. Now recipient email, you can type here, you can use any domain. I have added 3 domains, you can use any of them, but for now I am showing the Gmail option only. And my another email is task7@gmail.com. Now let's click on send attendance. This option, okay, offering. Okay, so it's showing database attendance report sent successfully. By the way, what is happening at the back end is, when I click on this send attendance button, which is this, it's getting, the database is getting converted to XLS file temporarily, and then it get downloaded for few seconds, and from the down section it directly sent to email, and I am going to open the email for showing that it received. Okay, so let's open my email. Okay, here as you can see, this is the attendance report. Let's maximize it. This is the attendance report, so let's click it, and you can see this is the body. This is generated on, is showing the time, everything, and you can see the XLS. This is it. So this option is also working fine. Now let's do a final test. We need to use this, need to check if these options working fine. So first of all, close the project and run it again. So okay, click on enter. Now click delete attendance data. It's deleted from the database. Registration data, click delete registration data. All registration are deleted successfully. Now click delete registered images. Even this function is also working fine. Let's check at the back end. As you can see, there is no folder named training image. Okay, so each and every, and by the way, the counter is also reset to 0. So each and every option is working absolutely fine without any issues. And in this way, you can connect MySQL database to your existing face recognition based sentence monitoring system using Python project. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can make the project, or better to say, you can proceed with the project. So yeah, that's it. So that's how you can run the latest version of face recognition based sentence monitoring system using Python project with free online MySQL database using event.io website. You have seen that, like the previous project, all the features are working absolutely fine without any issues. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and soon I will try my best to localhost this project initially and then remote host, so that this project can run completely online, which many of you have requested earlier. Now it's time to say you my current situation that I already said in one of my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, then please watch it. I will add the link to that video in the description. In that video, I have already said that now it's neither possible for me to receive your calls nor possible for me to remotely access your PC to solve your issues. If you have any problem or query regarding any of my project, then please join my WhatsApp group. There you ask your doubts or queries, whatever you are having about any of my project, then me or any of the members will definitely reply, and through messages I will solve all your queries. But please don't call me, as it's not possible for me to receive calls anymore, as I too have my personal life to spend, and if you keep on calling me, then it becomes very difficult for me to make new projects and also balancing my work life and YouTube. So hope you understand about the situation and difficulties I am facing currently. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shadowbytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it. And on the bell icon, select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. So once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.
gonna mend. We both know